Great, so we got a public stream because we have just some nipple tingling information and or an announcement that we will be sharing with you just in a little bit. So get yourself some popcorn, some coffee. Shit, I forgot my coffee. And let's get right to it. How are you guys doing? It's Friday. It's Friday. Good morning. STV, don't tell me how to live my life. Lori, good morning. The Boring Trader, morning fam. Let's get right to it. I am waiting on the queue here. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. What's good? What's good? All right. Let's see. Um, yeah, I'm getting all kinds of text messages. Well, you know what? Let's get right to it. Let's do some tickers. Do we have some morning crosses? Are you guys in any crosses? Duck Squad, I love you too. Uh, Duck Squad, you hate. It's horrible life. Hi, Kim. Uh, let's see. Daily Taylor, what's up? Beautiful morning. Good morning. Good morning. Uh, let's see. Let's go ahead and get into a firm here. And then we'll get into occiputs. Let's see how these are playing out. So, firm, you had this call. So, you guys got into this call. But of course, you saw this level here. Now, a couple of things to consider. You have the MACD trending up, which is good, and RSI remaining over 50 and its moving average here, right? The thing is that when you look at a firm and you look at how it's been trading, right? Today's Friday. Usually it's a take profit day. We could see some sideways action and or very minimal moves. So you did have this level here as you took the call. That should have been when you went ahead and secured the bag. You also had the candle breakthrough, but now we are retracing as evidenced by the RSI here. Now, could she rim? Absolutely. Now, to be able to tolerate this move, you guys should be playing next Friday's expiration. If you're playing O-Day expiration, meaning today, you're in for a world of hurt, okay? So let's go ahead and make some money. Now, Thomas says, when Victus. Kim, what's going on? Let's get into Oxy here. We'll break down Oxy, see where we're going with this, and this is a public live stream. If you want to know how we play, if you want to know how I'm consistently making 20 to 50, this week is 38%. Better than the market, you gotta go ahead and join this Discord. Link down in the description, link pinned to the top of the comments. Now let's get into Oxy here. Oxy showing some put action here, right? We have a pending cross to the downside. Now you do have this level here at 64.80. I would say Oxy is one of those plays where, yeah, unless you're the type who likes to suffer or submit yourself to emotional damage, I would think that you would stay away from Oxy until it has truly, truly decided its move. Shalrow, no, actually, I sold my AMC last week, yeah, at 15. And since then, I think I've like tripled, quadrupled my P&L. All right. So, uh, let's see. Learned so much from you. Started my own channel, showing people this knowledge. Love your energy, brother. Keep pushing. Dope, dope, dope. Crypto. Wait for it. Cryptagorous crypto. Wait for it. Let's see. Shalrow. You mustn't have a job. Next ticker, please. Let's go. Yeah, the Tros just come. This is a public stream because we want to showcase something. We have an announcement a little later. Why didn't you hold your shares and also trade it like the rest of us? That's actually a good question. So, Chris, I had $500,000 worth of AMC. Saw it go up to 5 million. Then I saw it go down to $1 million. I mean, it's 100% return. I'm not a greedy pig. Since then, I've used that to play options. Made an absolute fucking killing. All right, so uh, let's see, coin. Let's go ahead and check out coin here. All right. Coin definitely looking like you hit that 200 EMA, so you definitely got pulled down. You got rejected. You took this call up to the 200 EMA. You printed. Congratulations. You guys know the rules. When below the 200 EMA, you're biased to puts. But if you do see a call signal, chances are you can run it up to the 200 EMA and make some coin, right? Oh no, Chris. Chris, sorry for the emotional damage. I traded with the whole lot. Yeah. It took $1 million and then just went full degenerate. That's what I did. All right, let's keep it moving. Um Hey, Dice Hawker, was that the announcement? No, that's not the announcement. All right, this is Coin. Coin just gave you more than you deserved, and you could have gotten out of this play. All right. At this point, you're going to expect the market to move sideways. Again, it's Friday, sideways, and then a move to the downside. All right. Let's go ahead and look at Paramount Global. What are you doing, baby? All right. So you got a put signal that's printed, but again, everything you know, when you look at a play and you get a signal and you say, okay, well, I got a put signal, right? And then you go ahead and you look at the 200 EMA and you're like, okay, so what's that difference there? From where this put signal landed to where that 200 EMA is at 2568, you're literally subjecting yourself to some emotional damage there, right? Because you are betting that she breaks to 200 EMA, right? But she didn't. Okay. So you have to respect the 200 EMA because in this example, per the rules and how we trade, if price action is above the 200 EMA, you're biased to calls, but you can still play the put down to the 200 EMA. Does that make sense? All right. Just Burns. Wait. Okay. Uh, DKNG DraftKings. Okay. Uh, DraftKings experiencing emotional damage because the Giants beat the Pats last night. I know it's preseason. It doesn't really mean shit. It's preseason, whatever. But the Giants did beat the Pats twice in the Super Bowl. Anyways, moving along. DraftKings. You had to call here, and then, well, you didn't have a call here. You would literally have to play it on the 1 minute if you were looking for some action, right? And here you got the put signaled, but now you have to pay very, very close attention to RSI and the levels that it has established. So I'm looking at 1965 on the 1 minute, but here we go to the 5 minute. How low can we go? Well, we have 1918 here established at pre-market, and that is a very real possibility. As you can see, RSI broke below its moving average here, and the MACD crossed to the downside. So this is a put if you want to front run. Um, Jorn, don't make me raise the price on you, bro. All right. Everyone's like, fuck the Giants. Jesus, you got, oh man, Patriots fans are the worst. Actually, no. No. Patriots fans are the worst. Cowboys fans, oh, they're the fucking worst. All right. Moving along, let's get some more tickers in here. Let's check out Roku. Uh, Roku here. And Roku giving you that call and put signal, that whipsaw right here. Okay, so this put definitely has potential to bring you down to the blue pill line here, which is 79.67. If you're looking at the indicators, you could see RSI did break below its moving average, indicating that it's a move to the downside. MACD trending down, shaft trend trending down. You know what? I don't know. I don't know. I'm liking what I see here. Vikings fans are a special breed. Oh, yes, they are. Scar My World. Good morning, Cowboys. LOL, that star rating's not a logo. So they're a 1-star team. Anyways, if you're in Roku, you print it with Roku. Okay, just be aware of your levels. She gave you a little more than you deserve, right? She's still trending down. Look at in this. If you've made 5, 6, 7%, you're doing better than the Choots and the Hedgies out there. I mean, it's just facts. Um, you want to hear? Oh, wait. You want to hear my thoughts on Ape? You don't really want to know my thoughts on Ape. You really don't at all. Um, let's see. I hate the Bears. I hate the Bears. You know what? It's one of those things, right? So Chicago is a great sports town. I learned that, my 10 years living there. Great sports town, but I couldn't get away with wearing like a Yankees hat. Well, actually, you know what? Chicago was much nicer. Boston, I had to, yeah, up my life insurance if I was going to hang out in Boston with a Yankee hat. Uh, let's see. Uh, Oh, the Rams. I was a Rams fan. The Greatest Show on Turf with Kurt Warner. Those Rams were legit. Um, well, it's funny. My brother is an Eagles fan, and we're actually going to. It's interesting. So we're going to the Buccaneers and Packers game. It's the Buccaneers' first game here in home game this season. Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady. Last time these two QBs might face each other, but he's a hardcore Eagles fan. Of like, don't you dare rock a Eagles jersey in Tampa, bro. Uh, let's see. Apple. Let's get into Apple. All right, Nibbler wants thoughts. So Apple is just giving you all those gains today, right? Pre-market cross. Now you got to go to the 1 minute, see what happened. So if you could not enter, if you did not have an actionable alert on the 5 minute, right? You could then go on over to the 1 minute and you could see, okay, well, I got a call. We're above the 200 EMA, so I am biased to a call alert when it shows its ugly head, or rather a beautiful head, since it's going to help you print money. And it made its move to the upside. Now, on the 1 minute, you also see that the 13 is coming back down onto the 48. And the RSI warned you, definitely warned you at or about here once it crossed this moving average, and then the shaft trend signaled sell along with the MACD. So I would say preserve your gains. If you're in on this play, secure that bag. And okay, guys, do you want me to get Andy on so we could do this announcement, or do you want to hear my thoughts on Ape? Because I could give you my thoughts on Ape in probably 45 seconds or less. All right. Let's see. Chewy, let's see. Let's go. All right. Short the fix is late. Let's go. If you're on the fence with 1348, blah, 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 blah. Thoughts on Ape. Andy. Yes, please. PBI running. Ape, then Andy. Both. Ape. All right, Andy. I'm going to go ahead and shoot you a link. 1 second. I'm going to shoot you a link via email, and then we'll get you on. But I have to go ahead and explain my thoughts on Ape really quick, okay? So let me go ahead and send Andy this invite. This is going to be interesting. I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. Fun fact, guys, Andy still uses Outlook. You could tell he's IT. Oh my God. Here we go. Okay, so I sent that invite to Andy. Holy shit, what just happened to the chat here? Holy fuck. All right. Yeah, we're gonna get Andy on board. Okay. Yeah, Legendary Algo also uses Outlook. You see, just got my IT dweebs here. Okay, nothing wrong with Outlook. Nothing wrong with Outlook. Okay, so I sent Andy the invite. He should be in pretty soon, right? Um, okay, so my thoughts on Ape. Look at guys. Let's go back here. Right, we're going to go to the daily here. We're going to go on over to AMC. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at AMC. Right now, I want to pay very, very close attention to this move here. Now, if you went ahead, let's say you got into this movement even in April of 2020, and you rode her all the way up to the top here, right? Right there from its low. You got 288 bars, right? A 5,100% return, right? Okay. How much more do you want, right? 5,100% return, you know, in the scheme of things, that's astronomical. At the end of the day, the apes told Adam Aaron, go fuck yourself because the squeeze is more important than the company. But what comes first here? The chicken or the egg? Without the company, the squeeze doesn't exist. Without the apes, the company doesn't exist. So now we have this perpetual, just this energy, this circle of life, right? This Lion King bullshit going on, circle of life, where, you know, no matter how much AMC runs, we're always going to have short interest come in, right? Always going to have short interest come in. So therefore, if you're like, no, we're not going to let you dilute because of the squeeze, well, the shorts will always be there. I mean, quite frankly, if AMC runs up to 100, what do you think is going to happen? Lots of money are going to pile in a short position or go put side, right? So you tell Adam Aaron, go fuck your mother, no dilution. He came up with a creative way to dilute and put it in a pretty package. And they called it AMC Preferred Equity, aka APE. Hey, that's cute. That's fun. But at the end of the day, Adam Aaron's going to get what he wants, and his job is to save the company. His job isn't to give you a squeeze. You already made over 5,000% on that last run. And you know what? If you traded AMC and you went put side, when I started suggesting people go put side and or reposition, you would have made out a lot better than what you are right now. And so now we have this whole ape thing. This is dilution, guys. It is what it is. But Adam Aaron has to do what's best for the company, not what's best for the shareholders. Because each and every day, AMC provides you an opportunity to make money. But if you're going to sit on your ass and just say, oh, well, I'm not buying hold, just won't hold. If you're going to sit on your ass, you know what? You know, you're going to miss that train, right? And then you got to wait for the train to come back around. And then you're going to miss it again. You got to wait for it to come back around, miss it again. Again, the circle of life. If you're not playing AMC for the opportunity that it presents, then you're playing yourself. And this is why 1348 exists. I mean, purely why 1348 exists. Okay. At the end of the day, like I had to sell AMC, right? 18 months, money tied up, not making me money. I'm not used to that shit. And that's actually not a smart move. It's really not. You go ahead and tie up $500,000 to not really make that move, and or yeah, it did make a move, but not the move I should have taken. And so therefore I'm being honest with myself because my responsibility is to my family. My responsibility ain't to this fucking community, the AMC community, the one that's constantly bullying me and just whatever. That's not my responsibility. My responsibility is to my family. And if you don't like that, then just go fuck yourself. That's simple. Let's go. Let's get into it. Oh, I see it. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Here we go. I'm ready for all the smoke. You're coming in like Joey Cool here, man. What
These are
the
these are my I didn't sleep last night glasses.
Oh,
These
ladies
are so
and
I got those
gentlemen.
glasses, and then every IT tech person has one of these. So these are your lens flare or whatever for the bright screens. But man, I got no sleep last night. What's going on, everybody? Was it morning? Morning. No, after. Happy morning to everybody. Hey, it's morning.
Not for you, though.
Bro, I got no sleep last night. And for good reason. And for good reason. It was for the community. Um, I just wanted to come on live and give you guys some updates and say hi to everybody. It's been a while. I think the last time I gave an update was Sunday. I think last Sunday I just kind of gave everybody a heads up. And I wanted to talk through a couple things if it's okay. Cool with that? So
take it over.
Yeah, so still a couple things we want to, as I'm talking with the beta testers, Algo, Gabe, and the team, we want to continue to stress paper trading. So once we go live with Invictus, man, I can't wait for you guys to see this. I think we've been having a good time. We hit some rocky spots, and then we had Gabe kick me in the pants a couple times, and and then I had to kind of shoot it back to Algo and say, hey, what's going on here? So we got some good stuff for you guys with Invictus, and I want to lock down a date for you guys. But again, paper trading, and I think I said it earlier, is get into the e-learnings, do some e-learnings, and make a friend. Make a friend. I think that's what we found successful with the beta testers was they leaned on each other to figure it out. And I know Gabe, STV, TMI, they're going to be building out some new Invictus content for you guys to explain what they found as the best way to approach it. Because it's a little bit of a tweak to 1348. It's exactly 1348 with some minor risk adjustments. Does that sound fair, Gabe? Does that sound about right?
Yeah. That sounds really fair. By the way, I know you're tired, but next time, when you come live, just make sure you click the mirror option so that the B on your hat is actually the right way.
You know what? It's all good.
You're making me feel dyslexic here.
Yeah, how many times am I going to go live, right? Once in a while. Actually, this is the same camera I use for work and stuff, and it's the same. I got my little potato head guy here, so it's all good.
Okay. So do you stroke your potato when you're stressed out?
No, I sit here and I literally kind of, you do all the stuff you do with a potato head,
You need a Voltron there, bro. You need a Voltron.
Did I tell you? I told you about my idea with the potato heads, right?
No. You want to share with us all?
I don't, but I do.
Take it away, sir. Take it away.
And so it's not very politically correct, but there was a time when Mr. Potato Head was going to lose his Mr. title. So I was going to make an OnlyFans account for Mr. Potato Head going wild. And I have a whole box of Mr. Potato Heads and little potato heads and Mrs. Potato Heads. And we're just going to just kind of make it all weird. So yeah, that was one of my weird ideas before you called me up and said, hey, help me out with this. So it was either Invictus or you get Mr. Potato Head OnlyFans.
Wow. Potato noun. That'll be a whole new brand. Potato noun. Potato pronoun.
So talk to me. Let's talk some Invictus.
All right. Let's get it. Let's get it then.
Want to ask me some questions? You got some questions, or
if I have some questions for you?
Yeah.
Well, my tits are jacked, and I think everybody's tits are jacked, and I think the biggest question here, Andy, is when are you going to stop teasing us? Like Invictus has felt like that new girl that's saying you got to wait for marriage, and I'm kind of that guy. I'm like, no, I'm not waiting for marriage. I want to try before I buy. So, what are we doing here, man? Because you're the man with the plan.
I know. It's rough, man. It's so the release date is slated for Wednesday.
Is it?
Yeah.
All Wednesday. Right. So are you going to give me some shitty infomercial here like you like to do and say, but wait, there's more?
Maybe. I don't know. AMC up in 7 bars. I don't know. Is that something? That just hit. I don't know. You guys go to the Discord. Take a look.
Here we go. Take a look, guys. There you go.
So the original plan was Wednesday. But I said, you know what? We're not going into the weekend like that. That's why I got no sleep. After this, I'm going to take a nap. I'm going to go hang out with the fam. I'm going to take a nap, and yeah. So Algo and I, we really hustled this morning to make sure that this was ready to go. The beta testers, insane. They did such an amazing job with us. There's still things we want to do. There's still things we're going to tweak, and please know that this is still in beta, meaning it may crash, it may shut down, it may stop alerting. The odds of that are pretty low, but just kind of set your expectations that things can't happen. It's still beta, and we still want you guys to paper trade and still practice safety with your 1348 education and have a good time with it, man. It's just, go look, watch the bars, see if it happens, see if it goes, and just study it. Spend a couple days. Gabe, what did you say? Like spend a week, 2 weeks with it, just reading it?
Yeah, I would say spend a week, 2 weeks with it. Paper trade. Again, guys, do it at your own risk. Also, when in doubt, always fall back to 1348 principles. Always fall back to 1348 principles. But hey, we got to give it out to those who jumped in beta because they came in with real fucking money. They were like, "We trust you."
Hey, man, we had them sign some NDAs. They paper trading, like, so. I don't know anything. It's paper trade.
All right. So I guess the next question, Andy, is now that it's the beta, what are some of the things that you're looking for to be able to get this publicly released, like full on public?
Oh, okay, cool. So before I say that, what we're going to do is we're actually going to create another channel for you guys. It's going to be the Invictus Beta Questions channel. And we've opened it up to, if you guys have questions, Algo, myself, and any of the beta testers that are open to revealing their identities, they're going to jump in and help you guys out or answer any questions or tell you about their experiences. We're under no obligation to share who they are, but they are now free to tell you if they were part of the beta.
Okay.
So please know that you have your community members here to help you out if you have any questions about, why does it do this, or, what does this mean? Because there's some new logic in there. There's like things like a dead play or a reversal. So, we'll try and answer some of those questions for you guys.
All right.
Going live, I think right now it's just letting it ride for a little bit. We have some infrastructure in place that we just need to make sure it's stable. I think it's stable. I think we're good. We just need to make sure that it works. I don't know. I don't think there's much more. Are you asking me about new products that we're envisioning, or are you talking about just?
Well, I guess we got Invictus, but then we also have, who else do we have? There's another guy out there. What's his name? Pythagoras. When are we bringing out Pythagoras?
Yes. That Algo and I have to kind of do. Algo wants to say Wednesday. That's his. I want to hold him to it, but I know things happen. So Pythagoras is going to be good. So we wanted, there's a few channels we're actually going to give you guys. So one is the core 5-minute predictive channel, which is, so Invictus is an active trading product. So that means you're going to see active bars moving. So you're going to get that countdown 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, all the way to, it crossed. So that is Invictus, and it's high volume, high quality tickers. And if there's any tickers in there you guys don't like, let us know and then we'll get them out. But they're all high quality tickers. Then we have our more, a bigger stream of tickers, which, you want to, the equivalent of like the 3-minute market channel. We're going to release the 5-minute predictives and then the day predictives along with Pythagoras. And Pythagoras is a trading bot. I mean, I can't tell you anything that Algo hasn't been telling you. He's been like 20%, 30%, 40%, just bragging about it. And it's just been awesome. It's been ridiculous how well this share trading bot is doing, not options, shares. So,
Yes. 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 All right, guys. So we're talking Wednesday for Pythagoras. I want you to keep in mind through the weekend, I assumed the responsibility along with TMI and STV to create the curriculums for these bots. It's an additional layer to what we do, but it is in fact 1348. So this is one of those things that if you do not have the core concept of 1348 down, take this weekend, take a step back, go through the curriculum again, and then you'll start seeing Pythagoras and Invictus start making sense. All right. Now, furthermore, we have something more. When will we have Cryptagoras out? Andy's
yeah,
Andy.
I don't want to. I don't want to overload these guys. It's let me talk with Algo. So we did some shit, man. Yeah, no secrets around here. So Algo spent some time, and I don't want to blow up his spot because he this is a good story from his side. So he went back and he tried to verify. So Gabe had this prediction and he back tested all of his theories, and Algo went back with his big ass machine and back tested using the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, et cetera, and just as Gabe said, the 15-minute was hands down still the best time frame for 1348. So, it took a $12,000 machine to prove that something that Gabe was like, yeah, it's true. So let me talk with Algo. If anything, I would say get him on to talk about that one. Because I know he's excited to talk to the community. He loves you guys, and I know he'd love some FaceTime with you guys. So ask him about that one. Shit,
Yes,
man, we got
I'll
some.
go. I'll go. If you're on the stream, do you want to jump on? If you're on the stream, do you? I'll go. I'll go's like, oh no. All right, sure. Okay, let me see. Algo live. We're gonna get Algo in the building. Do you guys want to see Algo? Make sure we get some thumbs up in the chat here. We're gonna get Algo. All right. So.
Oh, hey, I want to give a big shout out to Retod yesterday. He did a Twitch stream, homegrown 1348, and he ran a little bit of Invictus yesterday, and he did a really, really good job. So, big shout out to him. He did the voice channel for us for a little while, and then he's doing a Twitch channel. So just want to give him a salute. Love that guy.
Ooh. All right. You hear that? You hear that, Retod? If you're in the stream, we love you. Listen, guys, as they say, it takes a community to raise a child. Well, we're a community to help one another, right? If you're not part of this community, you're my enemy. That's it. That's a little too harsh, right?
We could be friends. I mean, depends who
With
it
benefits?
is.
Friends with benefits?
Friends for benefits. It doesn't have to be with benefits, but for benefits.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Andy, when's the last time you had a friend with a benefit?
What? I mean, you
come on, man. I'm just trying to fill some space here while I get I'll go the link.
Well, you're my friend, and you're my friend. I get benefits out of that, right?
Fuck you talking about?
I got to go to Florida. I mean, actually, no, I don't get benefits. I didn't get to drive the Lambo. I get to drive the Porsche. I didn't get to drive the Tesla. This is a bad friendship. Shit.
Oh, damn. So you're just using me is what you're saying?
No, I would just appreciate it more if I got to drive one of the fast cars.
All right, then I'll fly you down so you can drive one of the fast cars.
That's all I asked for. Can you believe that I flew down to Florida And the day I got there, this guy sold his Tesla after bragging about it he's like, you come down, you could drive it, I get there, he's like, oh, I traded in for an Escalade. Oh, shit, okay.
It wasn't an Escalade. Jesus Christ. All right, I'll go. Check at Twitter. I sent you a link. We're expecting you on. Right. So then you and Algo can have your conversations amongst each other, right? And then share with the Discord, But I'll make it up to you. I'll make it up to you.
No, you do. We're good. We're good, man. I've known you since forever. We're good. I don't need anything. I just need a high five and $1 once in a while. That's all I care about.
Yeah, man. You know what? next time you come, I'm gonna show you what it feels like to ride in a Uber Black. Oh,
ooh,
yeah, amazing experience.
Oh, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the man here. Dum 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 dum. The one and only Algo. What's going on, buddy?
Hey, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Dude, with the fresh background. Look at that.
Yeah, I do VR in here so that way I don't bump into the walls.
So you do this thing like by yourself?
Yeah, a little bit. Plus, my son likes to play down here too. So.
All right. So, Algo, you were listening in on the stream. Anything you want to add to what Andy's already shared?
Sure. I think the next big push is going to be getting us to another platform. Not sure how much of that I'm allowed to share, but there's going to be a lot of customization that we're allowed to.
A little smaller.
A little smaller. Maybe custom alertless. Can I say something like that?
That one's good. That one's good.
So you'll be able to watch certain tickers that you play most often. You'll get alerts on those specific ones if you want to when we get to the platform. There's a lot of really cool stuff. Probably Cryptegress will probably target that right after platform, just because I want to get us to platform first.
Okay.
Man,
Platform first.
Bring us back to Invictus, man. Like, what was Algo's the brainchild behind Invictus. Like, I just pretty much.
Hey, Algo, you want to share with us your journey? I want to know your journey, like what you had to go through, because this is a custom built solution based on 1348 with additional logic and layers. And obviously, you have previous experience in building bots.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to ask you, do you feel like with the logic that you have tied in with 1348, do you feel like this is one of your best performing creations?
Yeah, I think right now these are the most advanced bots that I've ever created. The first bot that I created was just a shorting bot that would identify stocks that were like super over leveraged, like shoot up like 20% over the prior day high. And, over time, that kind of burned me a little bit because some things kept running. But since joining the 1348 Discord, now that I'm able to use the indicators and actually understand what the indicators mean, I'm able to, apply the EMA logic. I'm able to apply the RSI, the SMA. It's so much better. And now these bots are so advanced that I'm just so happy to share them with all you guys.
Dope.
If he could have it his way, it would have been released like 3 months ago on his black box, with the secret ops freaking Geek Squad sticker on the machine. He would have did it that way. But I'm like, no. Let's we're gonna get real data.
Was.
Huh?
How do you know the computer name behind me is called Black Box?
It's a nerd thing, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess it is.
Yeah, but it was great to see how quick he was able to roll it over into, again, you guys know we have that high quality data. We have, Opera certified options. We have CBOE data. I'm not going to tell you where we get it from, but we get
None
it.
of your fucking business.
and it's fast. Like it's fast. And Algo was able to just kind of, flip a switch and then with his bot. So that's a testament to his coding style. So his coding is really well done. And then just, from our perspective, being able to take a data source and swap it out and have it just work, that's what we all dream about. But it's rare that it happens. And Algo was able to feel that right away. So, so kudos to him and please give this guy the biggest round of applause, because that's Invictus is, man, it's good stuff. It's good stuff.
Very, very, very good stuff. Now, I really want to just go over some things with the guys really, really quick as you are playing with Invictus today. Is something that STV and I, TMI, Algo, we've talked about. When trading the potential cross, use a 5% allocation and play the week out. It doesn't matter. At least for me, what I'm seeing is like you want to go ahead and give yourself the buffer, a little more buffer against basically against a move, right? So if the move doesn't work in your favor within the first 2 or 3 candles, until Invictus says play is dead, you want to give yourself a little more buffer, and you do that by buying extra time, right? Otherwise, you're going to hit 15%. For instance, with Invictus, if you play across the day on an O-day expiration, you might hit your 15% within a candle or two, and then you're like, oh shit, but it did cross, you see? So allow yourself more time further out. But the name of the game here is it's all about 1348. And while you are playing with Invictus, guys, please, please, please pay attention to RSI. We know the rules with RSI, right? RSI above 50, it's trending up. Below 50, it's trending down. If you have an inflection point, that means that you're ideally seeing a reversal. Okay. So just keep those basics down and just have fun. Paper trade, be safe. Be safe always. But paper trade the hell out of it. Have those conversations amongst yourselves. This is exclusive to our community. And you know what? I don't really care about any other communities, the Chinese product communities out there. I really don't give a fuck about them. We have the original 1348 specced out strategy turned into a bot, no emotions, right? It's just your job to monitor and make sure that everything is in sync per the rules. That's it. Anything else you want to add, Andy?
No, I'm just setting up the beta questions channel while you talk. That's the developer ADD in me. Sorry.
Oh, there you go. There you go. I'll go. Do you want to add any more?
No, I think I'm good. But yeah, we just got so much great stuff coming. And I know I say that all the time, but there's more stuff coming.
Okay, you're smiling hard like you just had a blowjob. Like, so's Andy. They got Mr. Potato Heads under the desk. No, excuse me, Mrs. Potato Heads.
I think we're both just very, very happy to see this coming out to the community. We're anxious to see the feedback and see all of you enjoy it.
Yeah, please provide us feedback if you guys have it. So we're happy to take criticism. We have a big bucket list of things that we want to do. Some of the stuff we can't accomplish within the Discord. So hint what we're going to do for the future. Yes. But this is the first active trading system that I've seen that uses a momentum trading system. Anybody else doesn't have it. They don't have it.
They don't.
And so please enjoy it. Have a good time with it. And if you want to take big swings on a paper trade account, go for it. I did. It was fun.
So I'll go. Did you say Monday? Wednesday for Pythagoras?
Yeah, Wednesday for Pythagoras.
All right. So we already know that, I'm bringing your family down for the holidays so you can take the kiddo to Disney, right?
Yep.
No. We're going to do Disney. If you can get me Pythagoras on time on Wednesday, I'm also going to throw in Universal Studios, and I'm going to throw in SeaWorld.
Oh, right? That would be awesome.
So you're going to get all the major parks, okay? Guys, we're one big community. I love these guys. I lean on these guys. They're the best group of guys I could ever fucking ask for. And you know what? We have the best community on Earth. Period. And, I really, really appreciate you. I know Andy's like, what about my ticket?
No, I'm good. I say it. He deserves it, man. And I'm telling you, since I would say maybe 2 weeks ago, Algo and I had a talk, and we just kind of talked through everything that was going on inside the Discord. Homeboy is fired up. Like, he is like, I've never seen him this, like, heads down, ready to go, ready to just give the community his all. And that fires me up. So thank you. I appreciate that. And just to get, it's awesome. It's awesome.
So we got a question here. When does Invictus drop? It's already been dropped, homie. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, link down in the description. You want to get in on this Discord. We're going to take your trading to the next level. Link also pinned in the top of the comments. Yes, we've been on for about yeah, look at the comments here. Holy shit, two Invictus plays, 30% on both.
I hope that was a paper trading.
I love seeing it.
I love seeing it too, man. I love seeing it. I love seeing it too.
Make sure you guys tag Invictus when on your gains in the community room.
And on Twitter. Yeah, share it on Twitter. Let us know how you guys are doing. We listen to you guys on Twitter, on Insta. Ivan's up there. He's sharing your gains, and we love everything that you guys are saying about us and sharing. So, have a good time with it. I'm excited. That's all I gotta say. I'm stopping right there.
Hey. I'm also going to do something pretty great. Well, it depends on who you are, and it depends on if you're camera shy or not. So what I'm going to do, I want you all to go ahead and do like a quick 30-second video about the experience with Invictus, a positive experience, whatever. Post it to Twitter, link trade 1348, right? And then the funniest one, I'm going to give $5,000 to. And we all get to vote as a community which video was the funniest, right? So quick 30-second, like, talk about your gains, whatever. Have fun with it. Tag trade 1348. And the funniest one, we're actually going to have a vote here. And Andy, you'll set that up, right? Like the funniest videos? Yeah. And the one with the most likes gets $5,000. That's simple. Can we do that? Can we have fun with it?
That's pretty awesome. I mean, have you guys seen the meme drops?
The meme drops are hilarious.
Like, I'm ready.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
And it doesn't have to be real money, guys. You can still do a paper trade account to show your gains, talk about your gains, your experience, how much fun you're having in the community. Make it fun. Tag us. Funniest one, $5,000. That simple. Wait, what's today's date?
12.
All right, so this campaign will run all the way to the end of the month. Funniest video gets $5,000.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Do I get to do one?
You want to do one too?
No.
No?
Isn't it employees and their family cannot participate or whatever? What's the phrasing?
Oh, yeah. You're right. Also, second place gets $2,500.
Oh, look at you. Look at this guy.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
Let's do it.
Is this a public stream? Is this public?
Yeah, this is a public stream.
We got something for you guys in about a week. Wait, I don't know if my face looked right on that. You do it. Just say the phrase, and then Ivan will clip it and post it on Twitter. We got something for you guys in about a week. That's it.
Is she in about a week?
We got something for the public people in about a week.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
What is it?
No, we talked about it. You and I talked about it.
Oh yeah, we did. No price increase. No price increase, guys.
No.
By the way, Invictus, Pythagoras, Cryptagoras, all of those bots are part of your premium tier, right? Obviously, we will have some spin-off solutions which will increase the price of these tiers as we mature, but you stay grandfathered in. So if you came in at $69, you'll never see a price increase ever. If you came in at $96 and you lock it in, you'll never see a pricing increase beyond that. but we do have some individual products that have both a retail and a professional application, and so we see value in it, and you guys are just getting it in, at dirt cheap prices at this point. All right, so that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Until then, to all the other Discords out there, go fuck your mother. We're signing out.